Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of sign painting with the White Marker Paint Pen's 6-pack acrylic white permanent marker. This product is the best sign paint available, perfect for all your art projects, DIY crafts, and more. The White Marker Paint Pens come in a pack of 6 acrylic white permanent markers with a 0.7 mm extra fine tip. These pens are designed for art projects, drawing, rock painting, stone, ceramic, glass, wood, plastic, metal, canvas, and more. The high-quality pigment ink is acid-free, waterproof, and wear-resistant, making it a versatile tool for all your creative endeavors. These paint pens feature a 0.7 mm pen tip with a wear-resistant and pressure-resistant chisel tip for precise control and fluid writing. The pigment ink is quick-drying, chemically stable, and waterproof. The pens work on almost any surface, including rock, canvas, wood, metal, glass, ceramic, plastic, and more. The White Marker paint pens are safe and non-toxic, making them suitable for kids, students, teenagers, and adults. The water-based pigment ink is odorless, light-fast, and water-resistant. Each pen is independently tested to ensure high performance and satisfaction guaranteed. In conclusion, the White Marker Paint Pen's 6-pack acrylic white permanent marker is the best sign paint available in the market. With its premium quality, smooth writing, versatility, and safety features, these paint pens are a must-have for any artist or DIY enthusiast. Give your projects a professional finish with these high-quality acrylic markers. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.